Our house is a very, very fine house. Hey, hello and welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. We are in the latter stages of April, and as usual, I provide the weather report on San Diego because a lot of people think, hey, San Diego, and I don't blame them, but today it's a little disappointing. I've had to write another letter to Mayor. We're only going to be in the mid-60s F. I'll check out what that means in centigrade and add it down here. But gee whiz, come on, Mr. Mayor. It's April already. But let's get to the really pleasant subject of this particular vlog. And this is a vlog. It'll be an equipment vlog from the Man Cave here. And let's begin with a bit of a preface. Very rarely I am asked to evaluate a product by a manufacturer of a product that I've used similarly. And I'm always gratified to receive those. I always like to get the opportunity, but it worries me a little bit at the same time because I have to do justice to the people who will watch my vlog one day. And I also have to do justice to the manufacturer because they're giving me their product in good faith, and the people that watch the channel are watching in good faith and expect honesty in the outcomes and the reports. So that is what I strive to do, and that's what we're going to do today with a very nice little discovery, I think. And let's give a preface to the preface. If you use GoPro cameras, and I have now for a fair number of years, you will have seen a progression from the very earliest GoPros to our latest iteration, which is the GoPro 10. One thing they all have in common is batteries, and batteries can be a bit of a pain, particularly when they change them generationally from one generation to another. And that changes your investment scheme and everything else. But you do keep your old GoPros, and I'll tell you why in a moment, and therefore access to inexpensive batteries to replace those that you've used, because they do have a finite lifespan, with a new one is a good deal. So I'm going to put on my reading glasses here and just mention, just recently I got an offer from a company called Vemico. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, fellas. Vemico, who said, hey, you use a lot of GoPros. Why don't you give our batteries a try? And I said, great, for the 9 and 10. And they said, we're out of those, have been out of those for a while, but we have them for the earlier generations. So would you try them? So I said, why not? As long as I can be honest, as I mentioned earlier, with my audience. So Vemico, and this is what the battery itself looks like. So first impressions are quite favorable. It looks as if it's constructed well. The other thing I want to say that I quite like about it is this bright orange color. GoPro and others take note. These have a habit of being dropped. And I've said before many times that once they're on the floor, it's cool if you can look for a little orange blob because it'll stand out and you can find it. Why is it that things dropped fall to the back of cabinets? I don't know. We'll leave that one to the philosophers. So, not being a personal tester, the very first thing that you do is check to see if it will fit your GoPro camera. And of course, that's important. That's the start. So let's put it in and see if it fits, just physically fits. Line it up the usual way and slide it in. Boom, it fits. And the camera gives me a little beep, gives me a little red boop on this side that tells me that it's in and it is providing some juice. So let's see if it'll operate the camera. Part number 2. Hey, what do you know? It fits, it works, it makes the camera start up. Let's look at the back of the camera. Look at all that action. Let's turn it around so it's the right way up. Look at all that action within the action. So first impressions, pretty good here. I'm going to do just a little quick recording in the man cave, and we'll add this to this clip. But first impressions are very favorable, very nicely priced replacement batteries for the earlier generations GoPros. And Vemico, thank you for giving me the opportunity to try this out. Okay, we'll do a little, Gary, we'll do a little GoPro clip using the Vemico battery and see how that works out. And we'll toss in an unboxing. You'll see what you get in the package when you order these. Cheers. Unboxing the Vemico batteries, always so exciting. Comes nicely packaged, little slip out container here. They attest that they have CE and FC rating. They are made in China, of course. There is a customer support number on there. And so I take it then they do meet the proper standards. We open the box, nice little box within a box. We open the box up and inside, what do we have? We actually have 3 batteries. Remember, I removed the first one. The third battery sits alongside the battery charger here. So we have the connector, USB connector, and looks like USB-C to the battery charger, and then a 3-bay battery charger with LEDs to indicate charging status. So all in all, a nice little package. Congratulations, Vemico. That's what you get when you order the Vemico batteries. All right, let's see how it works in the camera. What do you say? What fun. Okay, memory card in the camera. Let's see how this little Vemico battery works installed in the camera. Now this is right out of the box. It says it's got 34% power charge left in the battery. I'm videoing in 2.7K, 60 frames per second in the wide angle view. Hey, this will be fun. Let's take a picture of me taking a picture of me taking a picture of me, of you. Anyway, let's just try this out. There we go. And we are recording. So I will share this recording as part of this review of the Vemico batteries and the very messy, at the moment, this will be cleaned up. I keep saying that, I've said that multiple times. And the very messy man cave here at Wistful Vista. Let's test it out. Let's go around and get some, follow me along here very quickly. All right, it says we're recording, it's working. So the major tests have been good with the Vemico. It fits, it works, it holds the charge. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. And they are very reasonable. So let's go throw this into the editing and see how it works out. But Vemico, thank you for offering me these to try out. And my impressions right now are pretty good about these batteries.